The 2025 Citroën 2CV marks a bold and nostalgic return of one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. Originally designed as a practical and affordable car for rural France, the 2CV, or 2 chevaux, gained a cult following for its simplicity, charm, and unmistakable design. Now, decades after production ceased in 1990, Citroën has revived the 2CV nameplate with a modern reinterpretation that blends retro aesthetics with forward-thinking technology. This new model is not just a tribute, it's a reimagination tailored for today's eco-conscious, design-savvy urban driver. With its reimagined styling, electric drivetrain, and practical features, the 2025 2CV aims to deliver nostalgia without compromising on innovation. The exterior of the 2025 Citroën 2CV immediately evokes the silhouette of its legendary predecessor. The rounded roofline, minimalist headlights, and softly contoured fenders give it a friendly and approachable character. Citroën designers have paid homage to the original while incorporating modern elements such as LED lighting, lightweight composite materials, and aerodynamic touches. The iconic corrugated bonnet makes a comeback, this time reinterpreted with a blend of aluminum and recycled plastic for a futuristic yet familiar texture. Available in a range of pastel and two-tone color schemes, the new 2CV is designed to stand out in cityscapes and make a statement about individuality and sustainability. Small yet practical, the compact size makes parking and maneuvering in yaw. Tight urban environments a breeze, just as the original was meant to do in post-war European villages. Performance-wise, the 2025 2CV is a very different beast from its humble, underpowered ancestor. Citroën has equipped the new version with an all-electric powertrain, in line with the company's strategy to transition toward full electrification. A 35 kW battery pack powers a single front-mounted motor delivering around 100 horsepower, which is more than enough for urban and suburban driving. With a range of approximately 200 miles on a full charge, it strikes a balance between practicality and affordability. The top speed is capped at 85 mph, well above what the original ever achieved. But this 2CV is not built for speed. It's engineered for comfort and ease of use. The suspension system is particularly noteworthy, inspired by the original car's famously soft ride, but updated with modern damping technology for a smooth, quiet experience over potholes and uneven city roads. Inside, the 2025 Citroën 2CV offers a minimalist yet thoughtful cabin. It retains the spirit of simplicity that defined the original, but layers in comfort, sustainability, and tech savviness. The dashboard is a nod to vintage aesthetics, with analog-style digital gauges and toggle switches, while a central touchscreen offers navigation, connectivity, and vehicle settings. Materials are largely eco-friendly, with upholstery made from recycled fabrics and plant-based foams. There's seating for 4, and despite the compact dimensions, clever packaging and a high roofline ensure plenty of headroom and a surprising amount of legroom. Cargo space is adequate for daily errands and city getaways, and folding rear seats add versatility. Climate control, wireless charging, and smartphone integration come standard, keeping it in step with modern consumer expectations. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 2CV aims to be as accessible as its ancestor, although inflation and modern tech do place it in a different category. Citroën has indicated a starting price in the range of $22,000 to $25,000, depending on trim and options. That positions it competitively against other small electric vehicles like the Fiat 500e and Renault Twingo E-Tech. Government EV incentives in many markets may lower the effective cost further, making it an attractive option for young drivers, urban commuters, and those seeking a second car with personality. Optional upgrades include a panoramic sunroof, enhanced driver assistance features, and premium audio, allowing buyers to tailor their 2CV experience. Overall, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is more than just a nostalgic gimmick. It's a statement on how tradition and innovation can coexist. By marrying retro design with modern electric performance, Citroën has created a car that honors its past while embracing the future. It's not the most powerful or luxurious EV on the market, but it doesn't need to be. The 2CV's appeal lies in its charm, efficiency, and authenticity. For city dwellers and fans of automotive history, the new 2CV offers a refreshing alternative to the often cold, hyper-digital cars of the modern age. It's a reminder that practicality and personality don't have to be mutually exclusive, and that a car can still bring a smile to your face every time you see it parked at the curb.